Hello guys, what an introduction of bottoms. So this today is another video of quick speed and how I am gaining more essential skills and quickly and effectively. So again, if you're new here, this is a process that I have been following through learning and the different methods and how I am applying it to art. So again, 1, 2 and 3, one random bottom here. So I love drawing the female and male form. I think it's a beautiful topic to draw, all the curves and any kind of size, any form. I think it's just a beautiful form and topic to draw, as I said. So with that being said, I don't have a lot of experience drawing bodies or drawing bodies to the level that I have been wanting to achieve, and I think I'm starting to get there, which I am obviously delighted with. The first one, I think that the angle should have been, as you can see, her back is turned and she's slightly turning her body and cocking her right leg out. That one's more, the left leg is more straight, and the right leg is slightly sticking out slightly. I should have had the shoulder blade slightly more towards the right instead of going into the middle, but again, work in progress. But for the first attempt, I am quite happy with what I achieved. So it was good speed, I maintained the good speed, and actually ended up doing a fuller bottom this time. I think it works well with the bone structure and the type of body that she has. I think it works well. That one is slightly, number 2 is slightly towards the middle left, if that makes sense. As you can see, the head is turning right slightly and the head is turning very slightly left. That's an ear there, so it's turning slightly left, but the body is still going to the right, as you can see, with the right leg cocking out slightly. The bottom is still a fuller bottom, but slightly leaner, and I believe I got the hands and the wrist, I was going to say the ankle, the wrist better, and this time I actually had the hand tucking and kind of more aligned with the body instead of this way, which was actually the original reference that I was drawing from, which I believe I actually achieved it this time. I didn't have a lot of room for number 3, so I decided to concentrate on an area that I felt maybe I needed a little bit more practice. So the bottom, it's a little bit too round, and it's not my greatest, but it's not my worst. So, but in the overall end results, I am very happy with them both, especially the fact that it's the back of the body and it's positioned in a different angle. I believe I am starting to gain more skills and really quite happy with it all. If you are new, thank you so much for dropping by. If you would like to see different topics that I haven't actually drawn yet, please let me know, and yeah, share the journey. Bye!